How different might Venus have appeared, cloaked in the mantle of time 4 billion years ago? Such a question propels our minds to journey back, to a time when our solar system was still in its infancy, a time when the planets we know today were vastly different. Picture Venus, 4 billion years ago, a world that might have been a mirror to Earth, with temperate climates, vast oceans, and a magnetic field to protect it. It was a world that could have harbored life. But today, Venus is a hothouse, its water vaporized, its atmosphere a crushing blanket of carbon dioxide, and its surface a vision of hellish inferno. Now imagine Earth, our home 4 billion years ago. A world still cooling from its fiery birth, its surface a molten sea of lava. It was a world in the throes of creation, a world where life was yet to take root. Fast forward to the present, and Earth is the only planet we know of that harbors life, a testament to the resilience of life in the face of cosmic adversity. Next, consider Mars, the red planet. 4 billion years ago, Mars was a world with flowing water, with rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. It was a world that might have been conducive to life. But today, Mars is a barren desert, its water locked away in polar ice caps and beneath its surface. Now let's turn our gaze to Jupiter, the gas giant. 4 billion years ago, Jupiter was still forming, gathering gas and dust from the solar nebula. Today, it stands as the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant with a powerful magnetic field and a complex system of rings and moons. Consider Saturn, the ringed planet. 4 billion years ago, Saturn's iconic rings were still forming, the result of a moon that strayed too close and was torn apart by Saturn's gravity. Today, Saturn's rings are one of the most spectacular sights in our solar system. Imagine Uranus, the ice giant. 4 billion years ago, Uranus was still forming, its atmosphere a swirling mass of hydrogen and helium. Today, Uranus is known for its unusual tilt, with its axis of rotation nearly in the plane of its orbit. Next is Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. 4 billion years ago, Neptune was still forming, its atmosphere a thick blanket of methane, ammonia, and water. Today, Neptune is a world of intense storms and powerful winds, the fastest in the solar system. Lastly, let's ponder Pluto, the dwarf planet. 4 billion years ago, Pluto was a world of rock and ice, far from the warmth of the sun. Today, despite being relegated to a dwarf planet, Pluto has intrigued scientists with its complex geology and atmosphere. In summary, the planets of our solar system have undergone dramatic transformations over the past 4 billion years. From potentially habitable worlds like Venus and Mars, to gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, to ice giants like Uranus and Neptune, and even to distant Pluto, time has shaped and reshaped these worlds into the fascinating planets we know today. It's a testament to the ever-changing nature of our universe and the relentless passage of time.